Hey guys, so this is the fourth and final episode in this, and I hope that the previous three have helped you. You've now made it through save, display, and update, and now we are on to delete. So if you haven't seen those, you might want to go back to the previous ones. I will put the links in the description below. I already explained this. That this is loading the data in so that you can actually manipulate it. What that is allowing you to do is whenever you come to this page, you click edit or remove, and it will take you to this page. Like I said, I had that refresh problem, but once you refresh, it's going to have this. So we'll do more with this in just a minute. So now we've got, we've got it loaded in successfully, and we want to delete it. So now we have this, the remove dungeon in the actual function. So delete dungeon, I mean that's pretty straightforward. Remove ID right here. Once again you're making your object that you want to delete. Right here you're once again passing the ID and rev into this function so that it works. Because remember, you need to have scope. You always need to pay attention to that. So this is just to make sure that it actually has these values. So you then have console.log delete, and it's just saying it's deleting this ID. CouchDB, Dungeon Helper 2, that's just the database again. Remove doc, put in your ID to delete, which is right there. So whatever you decide to name that. Success function data, and then I just have a fun little thing saying console.log the where I live. This one's quite uncomplex. Once you already have all this is really the complex part of all of it, is the actually loading this stuff incorrectly. So then you just have, this is just the call. It's just saying whenever you click the remove dungeon button, or whatever you want to call yours, it's going to trigger this. It's going to once again say delete dungeon ID, because it has access to that, and then it's calling this, it's passing in dungeon ID so that it can actually do stuff with it, right? It's passing in the ID that you have, and then it just has a mobile change page to index.html. It's once again just taking your page back. You see that it has the event.prevent default again. Well, like I said, with the edit down here, that's just to make sure it goes to the page you want. So let's test this out. So we're in here, this is my test dungeon, and we click delete. Takes me to here. You can see it console logged stuff. It said, this is what we're deleting. It's kind of redundant to have it say it twice, but it just kind of makes sure it's keeping track of it. And then it says the where I live, which if you guys have played Sinistar, then you understand the phrase. If you don't, then that's a-okay. So we go in, so far due to the console log, it looks like it worked. Whenever we actually go in and click view dungeons, you now see it's gone. So it did work. I really hope this helped everybody that needed the help. As with the previous ones, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I will do my best to answer it. And after going through the class twice and sitting down with Jay Norod for a while, I do feel I have a good understanding of it. And but if there's anything I can't answer, then also try to hit him up, because he's a coding genius, along with Shanna Coate, Maximilian, and just so many others. I mean, the Full Sail group is great, and remember, we're all here for each other, and I'm glad that I can actually try to help for once, instead of just be asking for help. Anyways, guys, that brings a conclusion to this video series, and I look forward to talking to you guys about it some other time. Also, I would very much appreciate it if you guys let me know how effective this is, if this is actually something where it did help out a lot, if the process I do it isn't effective, there's like some things I can do to make it better. Also, I would think it would be really awesome if if you guys want me to do more, I would definitely be up for doing more videos like this every now and then to upload. Anyways, have a good night. I'm out. Bye.